Hi, I'm Chris at Majestic Air Conditioning. I'm the operations manager, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about our business. So one of our biggest focuses now as a company is indoor air quality. It's taking care of the customer, making sure they're as comfortable as possible in the place they spend the majority of their time in. It's always important to make sure that you can sleep well at night, that you're healthy, that you're not having to spend money on allergy medication and things of that sort. And that's the biggest rewarding thing for me. When someone needs our help, when someone has health concerns, we're there to take care of it. We always say we want to keep customers for life. And one of the ways we keep customers for life is our Crown Club membership. That's twice annual that we come out to your home in the spring and in the fall and make sure that system's running at top performance. One thing we'd love to do is actually make sure we bring the filters to you where you don't have to go up in the attic and crawl around. We'll take care of that for you. So one of the biggest differences on our Crown Club membership that we have for our customers is that checklist you're gonna get at the end of the job. One thing customers mentioned to us 4 or 5 years ago was, I'm not really sure what he did. I just went ahead and paid him the money. That's unacceptable to us. What we wanna make sure is you know exactly what we found and exactly how we're gonna take care of it. We're gonna work as hard as we can, as long as we can, to make sure you're taken care of and cool and comfortable. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach us at myaccompany.com or 281-376-2224.